Wow, oh my god!
Guangzhou Metro is amazing. It is even faster than many countries' trains. It is not only fast, it's also super cool. In the past, when you think of underground, you may think of New York. But really, now, you can't ignore the snow star, Guangzhou Metro. Here we go. Welcome to Guangzhou Metro. The Guangzhou Metro was opened in 1997. And in just over 20 years, Guangzhou has built more than 620 kilometers of metro, which ranks it head of the world's most famous cities, such as New York, London, and Paris. You can see the Guangzhou Metro is very clean and the facilities are very new. Look at this beautiful fancy design of Line 18, which also has a very nice library. I feel like this is not a subway, but a really nice university. Here, every carriage has air conditioning, and they are divided into strong and weak cold, so passengers can choose for themselves. What's even more exciting is the speed. The Guangzhou Metro's Line 18, with the top speed of 160 kilometers per hour, is the fastest underground in the world. For example, it takes 48 minutes to drive from Guangzhou's Panyu Square to Xiancun Village, a distance of about 13 kilometers, not counting the traffic jams. But if you take Line 18, it takes only 11 minutes by express metro. Another thing is that the Guangzhou Metro is very safe. It has been ranked first and leading for many years in the World Metro Association in 12 indicators. Here, I did a little experiment. I put this bottle of water on Line 18, and it was very stable, hardly moving at all. But wait, hold on a second. Guangzhou has not finished just yet. By 2035, Guangzhou will be 18 minutes away from the urban centers of the Bay Area via the metro. So cool. So, what do you guys think, Guangzhou versus New York? Who has the best subways? I will see you in the next one. Bye bye!